Hey everybody, welcome back. Now let's try to run the Anonsurf tool which we already installed in the previous video. But the one more thing to tell you that need to tell you that and that is I try to relaunch my system as a XFCE interface, not the genome version of the Kali Linux. Now this is a normal version of Kali Linux. Here you can see the interface. Okay, you just need to type anonsurf in the root mode, then minus minus help. These are the usages. Now let's start the anonsurf. Simple type anonsurf and then type here. Alright, type here anonsurf and then you have command start, stop, restart, change the identity of it mean you need to restart the Tor to change the identity. Then you have status to check that the tool is working or not. To find the IP of your current public IP, type my IP. Let's check them all one by one. If I type here anonsurf status, so it show me that this tool is currently inactive, dead. It is not active. Okay. Type here anonsurf start and then press enter. Oh, I forgot to show you that what is the current IP. Anonsurf stop. To stop this service, delete our IP tables, rules and everything about the new IP. Type here anonsurf my IP. So it show me my current public IP is this one. But after start the anonsurf, let's check the IP again. And it show me my location in my country. Now run this command anonsurf my IP. So now my public IP is this one after start the anonsurf. So it means I'm not anonymous. You need to type here anonsurf then my IP to check the public IP of your system after start the anonsurf tool. And now I type anonsurf my status or simply status to check that what are the results. Okay, now it is active and exited from this state at this time. So type here anonsurf minus minus help. Okay, so I suggest you if you want to add one more layer of security, then you need to add this one like service or start to add one more layer of security. Now check anonsurf my IP. Okay, your IP is again changed after apply the Tor services. So let's try it to find it from the browser. And let's check your country position and your latitude and longitude from the internet. Okay, Google does not accept it because I'm not anonymous in the world through the internet. So I suggest you open this link from the github.com. Type the link or text and then choose the DuckDuckGo search engine. This one. Now press enter. So it provides you a result from DuckDuckGo.com because DuckDuckGo is a privacy-based search engine. It does not require the verification anytime. And open this site, whatismyipaddress.com. So it show me my current location is my city is a Flint and my service provider is a Sindasi Network BV and my region and country is United States. Here is my public IP. So if I want to change the IP address of my system, then I need to restart the Tor service. Like service Tor restart. Refresh this page again. Okay, now you can see the IP is completely changed. Now at this time I got again the IP of United States, but the IP is 185 something. The previous IP is 45 point something. So let's try to restart the service one more time. Refresh this page again. Okay, my IP is 89 point something, like 89.236, and now my country is Canada. So this is too much, 100% better than the VPN or any other anonymous service. So let's try to turn on the VPN. Like if you want to add the third layer security in your privacy, then you can also launch the VPN after the Anonsurf services and the Tor services. But it cannot work until your internet connection is minimum have a 10 megabits bandwidth. Okay, I'm going to try to turn it on, but I'm not sure it is working or not because my current bandwidth is less than 2 megabytes. And you can see that it tried to connect again and again, but it cannot be work because my internet bandwidth is too much slow. So I already tell you that I need minimum 10 megabits or at least minimum 8 megabytes bandwidth to run the third layer of security on the internet. I'm going to cancel it. I think that is enough to show or to keep you anonymous. But if you want to be more anonymous, then use the hardware-based VPN and then use the Tor browser with the third layer security. So that's it for the Anonsurf. Okay, now let's try to use the Anonsurf with the I2P service. So let me stop every service that I run. Firstly, I like to stop the Tor service. Service Tor stop. It is stopped now. Now type here Anonsurf stop and check the status of your Anonsurf status. It show me it is currently disabled inactive. Q to exit and let's check the IP again. Okay, you can check the IP with one more command like curl ifconfig.me. Now my current public IP is this one. But let's try to check it with the anonsurf command. So it show me, okay, anonsurf my IP command is better than the curl ifconfig.me because the curl command only show me my public IP, but the anonsurf command show me my host name, my public IP, my city, region, country, and every information about my IP like longitude, latitude, organization, even the postal code and time zone information. If you want to save it, then you can use it. This sign, then the file name.txt, or I like to type IP info without space dot txt and press enter. And it's saved in my file. So type here, oh, okay, let me show you first with the ls command. Here is the ipinfo.txt, cat ipinfo.txt. Here is the detail. Remove this file here. So now type anonsurf again minus minus help. So at this time, I want to start the I2P service using Anonsurf, which is I have a fourth layer security of the privacy. So starting I2P service is starting, waiting for I2P services. It can take some time to start completely. And your process ID is this one. If you want to stop this service, then you need to kill this process ID with the kill command in from the another terminal. So you can see it automatically launched and run in my browser through the proxy. So now here I am. Let me try it with the google.com like www.google.com and let's check the result that so actually it apply the privacy on my browser to keep me completely anonymous. Alright, here you can see the Anonsurf I2P service homepage. So you don't need to run separate I2P service.